Hello, welcome back, Sido. Oh, what am I doing? I messed up the whole intro. Welcome back to another episode of Hellboys, of course. I mean, I guess you already knew that from like clicking on the video, but like, so, we're gonna jump right back into where we left off last time. We're gonna go once again with we altered our pact a bit to get the inconvenient bits out of the way mostly. So enemies are gonna be 50% tankier, and things in the shop are gonna cost 50% more. But we can heal for the full amount now, and things are just like less obnoxiously exorbitant than they were last time. So hopefully we'll be able to do some work. I'm also going to switch off the rail. The rail is really cool and I want to practice it more and do some cool builds with it. But we're going to go to something slightly more traditional, either the sword or the spear is for bonus darkness right now, but victory is our goal. So we'll go with the spear or the bow. The Zeus cheese with the bow worked pretty well. I like the Zeus cheese shotgunning with the bow. We'll see. Anyways, let's hop in, and we'll go out there and see how we feel.
I should go.
I'm seeing what's under here. I'm doing it. I'm gonna get there. Okay, so it's the shield now. What do we got?
Which one?
Do some bouncy boys potentially. Um, Artie's almost level 2. That's cool. Um, 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 um. That's almost level 3, because this is just amazing. Like, these ones are cool. I feel bad not using them. We're gonna find good uses for them. Whenever, yeah. We're gonna do runs with all of these in the future, maybe? We'll see. Skull Earring's just busted. They'll probably nerf it. I'm surprised they haven't changed it yet, to be honest. Um, we are gonna do Thunder Signet and do a Zeus bow run again. I have good high hopes for that.
This ought to be good.
I don't know. We just did that. Fuck it.
My
We're
shield.
gonna try the shield bash, boys.
That's the stuff. Ow, nice.
I have high hopes for the bull rush when he's like spitting stuff at us.
Yep, that'll do it.
Okay. Do we still go Zeus? I feel like Zeus is not the play then.
And we're
I
back.
think we go Artemis, honestly. I think that the thing is to try and get our cast really strong and use this mostly defensively. Just like throw stuff.
Ready as I'll ever be.
We'll see.
All set.
Hey, Artemis straight away.
You want to make it out of there, you don't have to listen to a word I say, to be quite honest, but my huntress blessings ought to help.
She's just so, she's got, the characters in this. They've got such character. It's really good. It's really good. Especially does more damage and has a chance to crit. Actually, we are going to be using a lot of shield bounces. This could be really good. Dash attacks. I still don't know exactly how this works, to be honest. We're going to go with Deadly Flourish.
My senses sharpen. Wretches.
Huh. So I guess you can experience this straight away. Only requires 2 heat this time.
Let's go make
Fair
Father
enough.
mad.
Let's do it.
Let's hear it.
How about a little contest, boy?
Sure.
Let's see if I
Oh,
still
without getting
got it.
hit. The crystals are the most dangerous, followed by the wizards. Oh, nice. Okay, sweet.
How fortunate for you.
There.
Ooh, that was worth 50. I've never seen one of those like that. That's interesting. Food as a prize. I've never seen food as a prize either. We're gonna try and get some more keys though. Keys are the plague, so we want to unlock more of the pact. So we can start spending our heat in ways that we actually want to. God, those crits hit like a truck. I need to increase the crit chance on that. I also need to kill his crystal, because screw him. His jerk nonsense. Nice. Easy
Another
peasy.
key.
Darkness or Ambrosia? Darkness. We only need the one Ambrosia like we have right now. I mean, oh, I missed a gold pot. Dang it. It's so sad.
Come, wretches.
I think I'm using the wall slimes a little more effectively. We have full heal capacity now, so let's go in for it. Not being able to heal was actually just so crippling. I didn't realize how much I utilized the reset. Oof, indeed.
From my perspective, I have summoned you. Whilst you believe you came of your volition. All statements can be true. Is that not so?
Huh. Wow. What? I mean, I can like live with not using my special. Like, I'd rather use my special, but it's fine. That's also pretty cool, to be fair. And that's like a lot. Man, all of these are epic. We're gonna go with Flayed Grasp though, because we're going for like a very casty build theoretically. Long range casty boys. We'll see.
Curse of chaos.
I forgot. I already forgot. Oh. It's funny that he has like little voice lines for when the curse procs him.
Come die again.
Wall slam. Oh wait, why isn't it taking damage? I'm taking a lot of damage. It's like stuck in the wall. That was weird. I like glitched out. Nice. Okay, that wasn't too terrible. 3 left.
Something I can use.
I'm fine on HP. I'm fine. Yeah, we'll save it. We'll save the months. These actually are pretty cheap now again. I remember, man, the 100% increase was, oof. These wall slams are awesome.
Keep it up.
Ah, dang it. Jerk butt.
Okay.
A little heal. Oh, max health. I was confused. I saw a heal thing, but it was the max health. Oh, yes, Dionysus. We have to go. We have to go. I need to remember to give him Ambrosia. I'm going to be so sad if I forget. Oof. Ah, God, being in melee range with them is annoying because they use that triple more often. Oh, that was weird that I just like went straight through him. Okay. Oh god, I forgot they spawned. I remember when they used to spawn 3, and that was awful. I would just get killed by that all the time. All the livelong day, to be honest. Just cheese him. Wow, he's just chilling. Okay. Yeah, I'm fine with that. It's so tanky. Because for percentage based, the HP. Okay,
Anyone
give
else?
him the gift.
Lord Dionysus, it's been great getting to know you, so please accept this humble offering.
Now that is something. A right princely gift there, Zack. And just so happens, I got something here I have been meaning to give you.
He's so charismatic. I like that his goblet's just like floating. Also animated, so that must be a thing they added this patch.
Thank you, Dionysus, mate.
Makes sense. That's cool. Let's check out the codex. Oh, we got Athena buff too. Perhaps I ought to feel a kinship for the easygoing son of Zeus. For it is said that he has some mortal blood in him, not just divinity. I forgot about that. There are a bunch of conflicting things about him, right? Because he's like a older god sort of fused in. She favors those of dispositions such as mine, and I would like to think her efforts keep the violent lusting of Ares, her half-brother, well in check. Very nice. Okay, let's see what we got.
You're getting somewhere, man. I understand you made it up to Asphodel before. Now that is progress. Keep it up. You keep on going, yeah?
He's just so charming. Wow. I'm excited to do some runs with him because, heck yeah. I want to see how this works. This could be really bad and ruin this run, or it could be amazing. Or we could just go for the nasty dash. Fuck. Ooh, that's a hard choice. Ooh, we're gonna have so many. We're gonna have if this is good, we'll have so many charges, but if it's bad, it'll just be troll. I mean, whatever. We're just in it for fun and memes. We'll get the thing eventually, so if this ends up not being the run, it's fine. And now we have the cups, we can do some cool, like, poison build to get the win. Yeah, screw it. Festive
To my
fog.
health.
Come on. Please do.
I shouldn't have done that.
That's not what I meant to do.
I'm out.
Cool. I mean, that's pretty neat. Oh, wait, that's gonna be busted. I think it deals like damage over time in the area, probably. That's gonna be insane against the Hydra. Oh, I'm excited. Against the heads?
Don't try me.
Maybe it actually doesn't deal damage. Oh, it stuns. That's cool. Interesting.
Damn it.
I keep forgetting. Festive, that's pretty cool. I like
Stupid fools.
that it gives you some consistent capacity to crowd control. That's pretty neat. Heal? Ooh, yes. I can't do both, though. Gotta go for the Death Defiance. Like, I can
use
get some more
this.
heals in a minute. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. Here's a heal.
Prince said.
Hello,
Yes! We have the Grasp. Tipsy Shot is pretty cool. It's like
It's always good to see you, Prince.
a little bit less troll than Athena's. Like, Athena's was neat because it deflects, but, like, blah bad because it's just super short range and like derpy. Also, same problem with Ares is it's just like not very good. But this adds like a whole new element. It's not just like damage in a weird, slightly less effective way. Because like the other two deal damage, but like in inconvenient and kind of situational ways, whereas the original one just deals the damage straight away, and like the way that they deal damage doesn't really like do anything significant to like buff it. So like why ever not take the long range thing? But this adds a whole new mechanic. It adds the ability to CC the enemies, which seems freaking amazing.
Cheers, mate.
And like it could be super useful, but still deals like a significant amount of damage. You know, it's like it just I like it. I really like the way it was executed. Is all I'm saying. I can use my special again. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, it's so cool.
Come on, men.
This is awesome. Wow, it's so cool. Like, I was just neutralizing them. It's extremely effective, but also like just really neat. It requires 22. No, sad. I wonder if them having a higher requirement like makes them a better reward, or like, yeah, it's weird. Sure. I feel like there's some cool buffs for this. Oh, nice, and it's just a heal.
Looks clear.
Bull Rush charges much faster. That could be good. That could be good. You take 20% less damage is amazing, though. Attack while your special is in flight. Its flights are longer. I mean, that's pretty cool. I sometimes want to be able to do that. Is that a new one? I don't remember this. I don't remember this. Let's check this out.
Aegis grows stronger.
So it takes longer to come back. I mean, that's fine. That's probably fine. Ooh, boons or pomegranate? Do we want to buff our deadly flourish? Is that the only boon we have, actually? I think it is. Oh, no, tipsy shot. Let's... Dang, that's hard. That's hard. We can get her weaken dash, which is pretty solid, but like, let's carry on. Get some buff for these.
You wretches.
This actually is super troll. Never mind. Get trapped. What the heck? Okay. Easy wall slams.
May I help you?
Oh,
Suffer
what
in
did I kill him with?
darkness.
I guess my shield bounce. My really slow
Power
shield
of the
bounce.
gods.
That's a real shame that this got. That was actually. It's cool. I like it. I don't like. I think it's actually good because I think it'll make me use my shield better instead of just spamming my throw. And the throw just will drift around and deal random damage. It just feels weird. So I don't think it's actually bad. I think I need to not judge it quite so hard. I think it's solid. Let's go for the deadly flourish.
Much appreciated.
I am digging this, I'm really digging Tipsy. I thought it was garbage at first. Super awesome. Super amazing. Really cool.
Fine day or night to you as well, Charon.
Let's get some thirsty darkness. And then carry on into the
Got
Meg
here as
fight.
fast as I could.
Can I stun her?
Hold it, Zagreus. I sense something. Is that... Ah. You've been in contact with Chaos. So even they are now involved with this.
Just because Chaos is giving me the power to crush you doesn't mean they're getting involved with this, does it?
Sip snouch.
You don't know who or what you're dealing with. Ask Nyx about them for me sometime. Here, I'll give you a chance to ask her very soon.
Oh, she sort of. She has the effect, but it's not doing the thing. I don't know. It doesn't seem to affect her the way it's. No. I mean, that makes sense. Like she's a boss, sort of. But that's gonna make this markedly challenging. It's still decent damage though, so it's fine. I'm taking too many of these dash hits. Wait, she held her dash. That's it trolled me a bit. Oh god. This isn't terrible. It's a bit super time consuming. Just I can't burst her nearly as well as I sometimes can. But I mean that's fine.
Take this.
You're dead.
It's really good for clearing all the stupid random goons just like sitting around.
You like my whip?
I forgot to use that, to be honest. Maybe these kind of block. Enough. Oh, where'd she go? Ah, shoot. I thought I was blocking that, to be honest, but I guess the angle was not quite right. Oh god. God, man, this is actually taking years.
Here then.
I feel like I got her, like, the first half of her health down. Oh no.
I can beat you. Enough of this.
God.
Don't go anywhere.
It doesn't help that I don't have a dash attack. I maybe should have tried to. Oh shoot!
Slow you down,
Am
huh?
I gonna die? Oh no! I don't. I actually might lose, which would be pretty troll. And probably a thing that I should not do because.
One last shot.
Oh Jesus! Come on, wait. Shh. Oh God, I killed her. Jesus, that was close. I just couldn't end it. I just couldn't end it.
Nearly got me.
Man, that's tough. If the stuns worked on her, I'd cheese her so hard. But like, I'm kind of glad that I couldn't just cheese her so hard.
Megara seems to be having difficulties.
Don't mind me, father.
I'm having some difficulties too. Don't worry.
Should come in useful. That one looks interesting.
Nice. So it went up from 10 to 15. I mean, let's see. Does anything synergize really well with these stuns? Like, arguably kind of this, but only situationally and not for the final fight. No, I mean, I think it's still just going to be a skill ring for now.
Might help. I'll just go on up.
Alright, in we go. In we go.
The Asphodel Meadows. Course is set.
I feel like we have like an okay chance still, but like that fight was just so tough.
Hello, mates.
I don't deal enough damage with my basic attack, I think is what it is. Like I need a buff. I need more boons. I just need more boons. Can I stun him? Oh, I can. Cool. That was effective. Neat. Actually, yeah, let's... Oh, he's flying, so he doesn't take... No, wait. God, it's hard. God, it's hard. Okay. I could see this being really cool with like the sword or the spear. That like the setup for the spear is like really a bit tricky, but I could just stun everyone in a circle and then just like smack them with tons of damage from that one thing, from like the spear charge up, you know, the circle. Nice.
Have a nice death.
I'm working on it though. Like we didn't take too terribly much damage. Oh yes, we need more boons. We have to do it. Challenge room. I want to see what Dionysus says when I don't pick him, because I'm definitely picking Artemis. Because
One of them's going to be mad. In the name of Hades.
Okay, so crit, dash attacks, no. Your attacks are stronger and have a crit chance. I mean, God. I want to get a good attack from him that deals like poison damage or something. So we're gonna go for pressure points.
The might of the Huntress.
Are they gonna poison me now?
Wouldn't hang with me given the choice. I thought I had you sorted, man, but maybe you just don't appreciate the finer things.
What is it now?
Well, let's just not get hit and not find out what they do. What are they? Oh, they doing some kind of weird fucking... Oh god. I think they have like an area effect damage. Just don't let them get near you. Oh, I'm poisoned. Oh, I'm poisoned. Wait, this is terrible. He's terrifying. You can't let them get near you. Nope, nope, nope. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Maybe it's only when they attack. Where are the other ones? Oh, there's just more spawning. Excellent. By excellent, I mean terrifying. Where was that thing passing? I get these guys to burn to death, to be honest. Oh god. This is my last life too, isn't it? God, that's awful. I think it's just these two goons now. I mean, it's probably pretty good. Okay, it's just this one goon now. Please die. Oh god, okay. That was honestly, his thing is pretty spook.
You know what, man? I'm not even angry after that. What's I even going off about? Do you recall?
Yeah, okay. I mean, fair enough. Okay, so I can get Poison Dash. If you... Ooh. Ooh. That's cool, and a really cool bit of art. Dang. Huh. I don't imagine I'll be lower than 20 at the moment, but like this could be at higher levels. Like if this was like an epic or something, I bet this number would be quite high to begin with, and then I could level it up a couple times, and this would be like a really strong ability. Noted. Let's go for Blight Strike though. And then try and get an upgrade for probably my Blight Strike. Or give some coins. We're honestly kind of not doing amazing on coins and need a lot because things do still cost more. Oh, thank God it's a heal as well. That's amazing.
Excellent.
I wonder if there's some way to tell which one's going to be a heal. Keys.
Next island.
Dang it, he left. Oh, I can poison him. Yeah, I forgot. Cool. it's a really neat ability. It's all chaos now. God, okay, wait. Be careful. Don't just squander. Ow. Nice, I knocked that guy into where my thing was. That's cool. That seemed like a giant mess, but felt pretty clean. What did that drop from? Do I have an effect right now? Or did that thing just like these random things drop heals? If so, please give me heal. I need to check that in post again, I suppose, and see what that was that did that. Okay, so another boon of his, but probably the ship. Or I can go for probably like 1 or 2 purchases. I doubt I can make 2 purchases with only 200 with the price lift. But the boat's hard as fuck. I think we go for playing it safe this time. Like, it'd be nice to get another boon, but
Charon must be nearby.
I might be able to get a boon here. Oh, I can't quite. Wait. Is there money in here?
Must have slept.
I can't talk to him. It's weird. Dang, if there was a little bit of money, I could get an Ares boon. I guess it's probably best that I get... Can I buy both of these? I don't think I can. So I should get the 88 heal. Yeah.
Get me out of here.
Still Dionysus, question mark? Or was that... Oh, it's still the boat. There's a little tiny gold pot over there. That was cute. Oh god. What a cluster. Do I have 6 of these now, somehow? No, only 5. I guess they just recharge at a convenient rate, so I can get quite a few of them. Nice. Okay. So I need to kill the impervious boys and get the fuck out of all the cluster fucking...
Nothing.
Seems fine, actually. Seems weirdly fine. It's a cool skull earring popped. Nice. Another one. I can't tell. It seems like maybe when they're armored, they can't be affected by the... they can't be affected by the stunning effect, but maybe they can. They sort of lingered. I think... No, they can. They can. Oh, God. That always seems way worse than it actually is when I take hits from the bombs. It, like, makes everything really boomy for a second, but it's usually not terrible damage-wise. Like, it makes a really dramatic, like, screen shake kind of things. Yeah, screw you, guy. F off. I took, like, half my health, but I'm still at a good spot.
In the name of Hades.
Alright, let's do it. Ooh. Deal more damage while 3 foes are afflicted with Blight Wine. That's really cool. Your Blight Wine effects also make foes... Dionysus is just so cool. These are so cool. I think we go for the slowing effect. I think. We don't have dash damage yet, though. This could be really, really cool for a future build, though. I think we can apply enough Blight Factors by attacking things, especially since we have that buff to our shield. I think we go for... This could be really good, actually. This could be really good in the final fight. I don't know. I'm going to try it. I'm going to go for bad influence. I keep saying Blad. Blad influence. Alright, give us some heat.
Can't give up yet. Surprise.
Are there more enemies to apply this to so I can get my buff? So maybe actually no stun on armored foes.
Good, come on in.
Ow. God. Okay. That was legitimately quite painful. Come on, just kill that one. God, they're so jumpy. Even when they get the stun, as soon as they're unstunned for a second, they try and jump on you. Oh God, that radius. No, wait, don't kill me. This is my last life. I'm on 5 HP. Oh, where'd you come from? This is bad. Bad news. Okay. No, why is it so long?
Don't do that.
Oh, no. That's bad. Oh, fuck. God, this is the worst thing.
That's what you get.
Wait, I'm literally on 2 HP. The fire will just straight up kill me. Oh my god, that was so close. Is this the last guy? Please, oh man, it's the last guy.
So much for them.
At least I got some heat. That was so spooky. I mean, no, I'll just die. I don't... I gotta go to the shop. I gotta go to the shop. Please have some heals or something for me. This is probably the last one before the boss, too. Then we're just gonna go for it. Oh, okay. 88 heal. Yoink. 14 darkness. I mean, that's cool.
Just tidying up a bit.
I don't know if we can take the boss, but we'll certainly give it a go.
Let's get out of here.
Okay. Hydra time.
You come to fulfill my father's wishes.
Oh, God. I don't, yeah, with no extra lives, this is gonna be hard. Like, we know his patterns pretty well, but even so, like, taking no damage, unlikely. Oh, heals. Yeah, let's get the heals though. Oh no. Okay.
Brought friends, have you?
So it seems like I maybe can't distract these guys either, which is unfortunate. Oh God. Oh God. I mean, this is actually going shockingly not the worst. Okay. This is gonna be pretty sketch though.
Not yet.
Oh God. Nope. I felt pretty good until I just couldn't tell what was happening. I lost track of myself for a second. And I just totally lost the dodges and got... I probably hit by just 2 of those spikes because I was at 14. They deal 7 each. That was honestly a really good try though.
I'm home.
I believe in a poison build. We could try with poison and the bow. The bow with like shotgunning is super strong because I can probably apply 5 stacks of poison, like 1 with each of the bow pricks. I don't know exactly how it'll work, but I believe.
You're late with your report, Hypnos. Again. Again. The dead, of course, can wait, but I'm less patient. Now explain yourself to me.
Oh, well, let's see. I woke up, I don't know what time it was, and I made sure that every shade had been accounted for, just like I always do, except I couldn't find my list at first. Can you believe it? I thought maybe my brother played a little prank, and so...
We keep talking about his brother, so I think his brother must be going to show up in the near future.
Get to the blasted point already. I don't have all day or night. Your report, where is it?
Sure, I was just getting to it, Master. My list, I found it over by the lounge. It was inside, but I am not the one who put it there, no sir. So I've been making positively sure it's not been tampered with, that it has everybody's name, cause of death, place of birth, former body weight, any previous allergies or medications.
Enough. Blood and darkness, that's enough from you. Just see to it the ledger of the dead is accurate, and get back to your post. Would that you could be more like your brother.
You've done it now, Hypnos. No sign of Cerberus for now.
Where's Cerberus?
Well, look at you, lad, with that codex brimming with our history. I knew I could rely on you to fill it out. Back when I was alive, why, no one would have ever believed what goes on down here.
Mortals must have had their stories, though, about what happens to them once they die and once they end up in this place.
Well, they had their stories, definitely so. They fear your father, understandably. They also fear your dog. But most of them know precious little else. Even their fears, I think, are born of ignorance, as most fears tend to be.
That was really interesting, like, waxing philosophical moment.
Each failure brings new opportunities for self-reflection, right, my friend?
Truth.
Your fate lies somewhere past these walls, child.
I sure hope so.
Makerus not around.
I thought we'd see something about the report. I thought maybe the report would be an interactable, but whatever.
Just doing my job here, Prince.
Yep. Poor Dusa.
Let's see here.
Wow. Nope. Not. Oh man. If I had another one. Dang. That's fine. We'll get up to 10 keys again. That was a really close one though. I think in the next run, I think we'll be able to do it. I think so.
Gods. As many chances as it takes.
I'm really we're almost to 50 attempts, which is pretty wild. But it's also cool how far we've gotten in like not a ton of attempts.
In the name of Hades.
Yeah, so I can't get this yet. But yeah, this is the one I'm going to go for next, I think. The one that just makes them deal more damage. Because I can avoid getting hit, probably. Hopefully. I hope. Yikes. This is going to be increasingly quite challenging. Jeez. Jeez. Yeah, but I mean, keeping it at 15 for now is fine. So, we'll do so. I can upgrade this a bit more. Oh, it's interesting. It just sticks at 50 the whole time. I wonder how high this goes.
Alright.
Also, yeah, I think we're going to cut it shortly here. But I'll start the next run to get the saves right. We're coming close.
To earn the right to look upon whatever this is.
Can't break these bones, pal. What? You just try it. Nice one.
Okay. I mean, I'm down potentially for like a fuck. I don't know. The spear is. I was gonna say I could try the spear, but the spear is hard to use in the boss fight. In like the final one, I'm not super practiced with it still. I will fiddle with that more in the future. I think for now, it's either sword or bow. I think we're gonna go with bow this time around. Then we'll go for sword if it doesn't work.
Scared to get up close and personal, boyo?
Like, I think that's gonna be amazing.
That's the spirit.
Okay. Oh, I didn't change my equipment. No. Wait, that's so whack. That's not what I wanted.
Seems you're getting somewhere, little nephew.
I forgot. Alright, what do we get? Knocks foes away. Your attack deals more damage, knocks foes away. Your dash knocks foes away. I mean, that's fine.
See God's might.
That's actually pretty synergistic. I think they'll be helpful. Hopefully we can just find some, I can probably save in that first room. I forget why I've not been. God, that hits like a truck. It's actually pretty sweet. I dig it. Okay. Yep. And then doop doop. I could keep going. But I want to take care of some other stuff and do real life things. And also just like this, I don't want to make too many super long episodes because even though you can stop them and like pause them at a convenient point, I still like giving you like a nice episode break proper. So we're getting really close. Like we almost defeated. We got the Hydra like around half health last time with like a build that was kind of made up on the spot and testing some new cool things. We found out that our boy Bacchus, what's he called? Dionysus as well, is super neat. I like him a lot. His character, excellent. His art, really cool. His boons, freaking fantastic. It was so cool, so cool. I'm very excited to explore some more Dionysus stuff. Like, absolutely. I think he might be my new favorite guy, to be honest. Like, character-wise, maybe still Artemis. Art, there was someone else who has super cool art. But Dionysus is sweet and looks neat. But Dionysus definitely has my favorite VO thus far, and my favorite boons. Ares boons are fun, but they're like just more damage. His are really cool. So we'll do some more exploring of that in the future, and we're gonna get that freaking, I hope it's not like some useless garbage. I hope it's not super troll. I need it. There are three of them, so if it was like one thing, I'd be tempted to believe that it might be a troll. But there are three different tiers of it. What could it be? What could it be? Anyways, we'll find out, hopefully in the next episode. I love you, Sydney. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Mwah.